How to change font on any Android device. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change font on any Android device. First then just open Play Store and then type the font and click on it and then click open, and now just select any font you want, like this one here, and then just click download and click apply, and here we'll find this one. Select method, second method here, and then click open theme manager. And now just click on your profile here, and then here we'll find downloaded and click themes, and as you see here we'll find where is it, wait, click this one, text styles, and here we'll find it, and just click on it and click apply, and that's it. It will be saved, and that's how to change fonts on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.